Today I'm sharing a simple and delicious stir-fried minced pork with ginger. It is fast and very simple, and it can be done in 10 minutes. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 480 grams of minced pork with a bit of fat for flavor, 50 grams of Chinese parsley cut into 1.5 inch in length, 150 ml of water, 80 grams of whole ginger cut into strips, 1 red chili cut into strips, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of Somjit or Chinese cooking rice wine, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, and 3 tablespoons of garlic oil. The full list of the ingredients and measurement are in the show more link. Start with the tapioca flour, add in 2 tablespoons of water, and mix until the flour has dissolved. This helps to thicken the gravy. Leave it aside. Heat the pan, add in all garlic oil, and wait for 1 minute for it to get hot. Add in all the minced pork. Use the spatula to spread the minced pork evenly around the pan. Add in the light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Stir for 1 minute until the minced pork has changed color and it's no longer red. Spread the minced pork evenly around the pan. Add in all ginger, pepper, sesame oil, all of the oyster sauce, and thick soy sauce. Stir and mix for 1.5 minutes or until seasonings and minced pork are well combined. It's getting a little dry. Add in all the balance of water and red chili. Stir and mix. Cover the lid and simmer for 1 minute. After 1 minute, it is boiling vigorously. Give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is already tasty. Add in all the Chinese parsley and Somjit. Stir until well combined. Add in the crispy fried garlic for lovely fragrance. Keep a little for garnishing later on. Add in tapioca flour mix and stir to combine. See, the gravy is thicker now. Switch off the heat and it is done. Very simple and looks so yummy. Let's dish out and serve. I recommend eating it immediately once it is cooked while it is still hot. This is very good with rice. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Let's eat! Delicious, very tasty and flavorful, and mild spiciness from ginger, and the aroma of the parsley, Somjit, and the fried garlic. The gravy blends so well with white rice. Lovely! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!